bird food shopping. I want a bag of peanuts, the heavy and the £15. But my breads are worth it. Are they just really heavy? I'm pushing my coconuts. I got that huge bag of seeds yesterday, didn't I, from Wilco's? But they're different kinds of seeds. We'll go back that way. $4.99. I don't know. They go too fast, they do. That's why I was gonna get the different seeds. So yeah, I'm gonna get a pack of sunflower hearts. I want to get mealworms, but they're so expensive, mealworms are. And they're only dried worms. I don't get it. So I might get... Is that the same as that? Because I didn't like that last time. And there's not a lot in that. Not a lot in that for £1, is there? I've got a huge bag already of seed. You know. I want something different to put in that little tray. I want them to have a variation. Right, I'm done. I finished. So we've got a big bag of peanuts, 10 syrup blocks, syrup candle, jumbo syrup bowl, the little syrup bowls, sunflower seeds, sunflower hearts, and coconut shells. I love you all. My birds are gonna love me. See you soon. Like it, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Adelesexyuk. Come and check out OnlyFans. I love you.